Hello everyone. Today I am so excited to be sharing the top must-have products for your holiday beauty routine, and I'm so excited to be partnering with Walmart to be sharing all these amazing products. I'm gonna be sharing like such a good foundation, you guys. It is flawless, like long wearing, so good. This amazing red lip, like a glitter eyeshadow topper. Okay, I don't want to spoil too many things, but you guys, this is such good stuff and it's really great price point. So everything will be linked in that description box below in case you guys want to check any of it out, and let's get right into it. All right, we are starting off all the prep. So prepping skin is really key. So doing any kind of mask on your skin, especially if your skin is very like parched. But I really suggest doing these eye patches. So I've talked about these quite a bit. These are from Petchology and they come in a pack, or you could get it individual if you don't want to do them too often, or just try them out. These are the Petchology Serve Chilled Rose Eye Gels. These are incredible. I have them on right now, just prepping my under eye area for my concealer especially, and if you're going to do under eye powder, it will just make everything glide on, be so much more hydrated, and it adds some brightening effect. And these I just leave on for like 10-15 minutes, but it's just something for skin prep that I highly recommend. Next, I'm gonna put on this Glotion. So I just took off the eye patches, and this under eye kind of leaves like a serum effect, but it's not greasy or anything. It's not gonna make my makeup slip around. So next is important to prime. So this is I'm gonna use as a primer because this is a Glotion, so it's gonna add that extra glow, especially for like a holiday party look. So this is by L'Oreal, really inexpensive, but it kind of reminded me of the Charlotte Tilbury one, but this was like way less. So this I'm gonna just prep all around on my skin. It just comes in a squeeze tube and just apply it as a primer. It also will add as a moisturizer, so it's kind of like a 2-in-1. This looks amazing. It feels so nice on the skin. It's really thin. And then just let it set on the face. Okay, when I think of holiday glam, I think of like that flawless, very airbrushed foundation look. So this one, I've been searching all over TikTok, the best foundation for that. And this one from Maybelline was like top rated. I am so excited. So this one, it says it wears up to 30 hours. I mean, I don't think I would have foundation on for 30 hours, but that is really great to know that it like will last you from morning till night, especially if you have to wear it that long. So this comes in a pump, which is really, really nice. And this color, I went with like my self tan shade. So we're gonna, you know, blend it all out and stuff. But this just like provides such a beautiful airbrush look. I got the shade 125 Nude Beige, and this was a really great price. This just blended so beautifully and easily. So good. And this color is like the perfect match for my like self tan shade. Okay, I just applied color corrector and now I'm gonna do concealer. So this is like this used to be like one of my holy grail concealers, and I don't know why I stopped using this. I've been using this since like high school, and it's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I just repurchased it again. I have to get the wrapper off because I'm like, why did I stop using it? Because I remember how good it used to be. Okay, you just have to twist it up, and then it has like a sponge tip applicator. I'm gonna look at my mirror over here. And this just has like really good full coverage, and it blends really nice. It doesn't crease. Okay, now I remember using this, like, it was one of, like I said, my holy grail. Guys, it is snowing today we got the first, like, okay, it's like flurrying. It's not though accumulating on the ground, it's just melting once it hits the ground, but it snowed for the first time. It was so like just dreamy to see all the flurries. It was so pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna blend this out. On camera, it's because it's like the light is a lot brighter on camera. The lighting, it's making it look like the concealer is a little too light, but in person it's just right. But okay, I did my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be showing you guys a glittery topper. Where did I have it? Right here in a little bit, but I first wanted to apply the eyeliner and mascara. So I wanted to share before I did the other eye, look at the difference that this mascara made. It is insane. So it just like totally opened up my eye and it added so much volume. It is so good. So I'm gonna go do the other eye because it's kind of hard to do this on camera, and I'll meet you guys. Okay, I feel like full voluminous lashes are like essential. So I applied the 2 coats on both lashes, and now I'm gonna apply some falsies. These are by Ardell, and I'm just gonna apply them with some lash glue. I'm gonna do that off camera because it's a little hard to show on camera, but I'll show you guys how they look. Okay, how much of a difference do these lashes make? All right, so now I'm gonna move on to the final step of the makeup routine, which is a red lip. I feel like a classic red lip is like essential for the holiday season. So I did some research on like the best red lips, and this Milani was top rated. So this is Milani shade 210. There's no name, I think it just has a number, and it's it's a long wear liquid lipstick. So that is essential, I feel like, with the red lips. So I saw people do like wear tests and that it would like not come off. So let's put this on and I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, so I feel like the red lip just totally transformed this look. I am going to style my hair. I didn't really do anything to it today, but this is the red lip. I could feel like it's like definitely like you have to let it dry. I put 2 coats of it on, and now I can feel like I'm gonna do a test. Barely anything comes off. Maybe like a little, because I had like a little bit of excess on. Okay, and I realized I meant to show the eye topper before the lip, but I just went ahead and used this glittery eye topper. I used to have one from Tarte that I used for like years, and they discontinued it, and I've been trying to find something that's similar. Okay, I have it on right now. It's just like you unscrew it like this, and then I just applied it and then blended it with my ring finger, and it just, I have to get in close so you guys can see. Look at that glitter. And this was so inexpensive, and I love this, and this reminds me so much of my Tarte one. So this is in the shade, I think it came in quite a few other colors. Is there not a shade name on here? That just said liquid glitter eyeshadow, but I'm gonna look up my email, my order email, and I will write it below in the description box along with all the other products. But it looks so good. Oh my gosh, it just adds that perfect shimmer look. So this is the finished result. I absolutely love this glam look. I'll have everything linked below that I shared in the description box in case you guys want to check any of it out. But yes, so excited. I love the holiday season. I especially love getting glam. And that is it for today's video. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next one very soon. Bye.